This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
Some of my regular audience members know that I also have a separate webcast series called Starstruck. Those who know my history also know that I did an arts and entertainment radio show on public radio in Philadelphia quite some years ago. And so I'm kind of merging law and entertainment with this special report. At issue are Don Henley and Glenn Frey's lyrics for the song from their 1976 multi-platinum selling album, Hotel California, which was a monster hit for the Eagles, clearly. The three defendants, rare book dealer Glenn Horowitz, former Rock and Roll Hall of Fame curator Carl Inciardi, and memorabilia seller Edward Kaczynski are accused of conspiracy and criminal possession of stolen property, which includes 13 pages of the allegedly stolen draft lyrics to the Eagles' hit song, Hotel California, of course, the name song of the album. And those just 13 pages are valued at $1 million, according to court documents. Mr. Horowitz is also charged with hindering prosecution. The defendants, of course, have pleaded not guilty to the charges. Starting point of this unusual show business story is that over 40 years ago, a writer named Sanders obtained access to some of the handwritten material while working on a retrospective of the band. Well, that work was never published. I'm assuming that the author was given access to certain works. Somehow these 13 pages out of about 100 missing pages have ended up with these three defendants. This could be a tricky case, folks. The defendants would have to know the material was either unauthorized or stolen. Don Henley actually bought 4 pages earlier for a payment of $8,500. I'm not sure from whom he bought those pages. I'm reading between the lines here, but assume that all the missing pages were supposed to be returned to Mr. Henley and the band after work on the book stopped. The burden in a criminal case is very high, beyond a reasonable doubt. Personally, I would probably have filed a civil case with a lower burden of proof, the preponderance of the evidence. So we'll have to see how it all turns out. Apparently, it is a jury trial.
This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.